Hello, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I would like to review this sample provided by Premom. So thank you, Premom, for the fish oil, and it's a prenatal omega-3. This is the package. This is what it has, some benefits in the back, and it has also the nutritional facts. There are 60 soft gels, and you need to take 2 a day. They are also 10 calories for both. This is how they look. This is how they look. And it has so many good benefits to it. It has DHA. They have is from wild caught ocean fish, and is pure, so it doesn't have any chemicals or anything bad. That are good, that are easy to swallow, and I like it because it's good. Thank you for watching my video.